Welcome back, everybody. Forno de Pizza by HPC Fire. Today we're going to be making some plantain bananas with some ground beef. All right, everybody, take a look. So we're going to be using some plantain bananas here, and then we're going to, once they are nice and baked, we're going to be using this ground beef, and we have some olives with onion and green pepper. We're going to be mixing that with some tomato sauce and some chili powder and some ground cumin. We're going to pre-bake these bananas. These are nice plantain bananas. They're nice and yellow. There's one that's a little bit more green, but we're going to kind of pre-cook them a little bit before we actually put them in the pan. So we're going to put these in the oven before we get the ground beef going. So I'm just going to place them in there. This is 92% lean, and we're just going to throw this in there in the pan. And remember, again, the pan's been preheated, so we're going to throw some of that in there, and we're going to throw some garlic, lots of garlic. Okay. We're going to add our green peppers, and we're going to add some tomato sauce. And we're going to give it a quick stir. It's looking really good. We are going to take a look here at our plantains, and as we can see, the firmness of that, it kind of cooked already over here, and this one is still a little bit green. This one looks like it's still a little bit green also, so I'm going to put these back in the corner here just a little bit longer, while our just a little bit right here. We're going to check on our ground beef here, and this is going to be going, we're going to kind of create a little canoe, a little boat, and that's going to be going right on top of the plantain banana. This is ready, so we're going to put it back in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to kind of go, I'm going to kind of create a little canoe. And I did not come up with this recipe. We did go to a Cuban restaurant, and it was kind of interesting. It was on the menu. I don't really remember what it was called, but it was actually pretty tasty. Okay, things are looking good. So we have our plantain ready to go. Our ground beef is looking good. We're going to place some of that right on top of the plantain. Just pulled out the plantain that's been baked in the oven, and now we're going to garnish it. We're going to squirt a little bit of lime, a little citrusy. Looks like plantain is cooked all the way, and the ground beef with the cumin flavor, the Cuban flair, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of cheese. Here it comes. Very, very delicious. It really reminds me of that restaurant, that Cuban restaurant, where I first had it, and definitely make it again for the whole family. Cheers.